right, so I've been playing with some Bloom Swipe. I have a little bit of paint left over that I just want to use up. I don't even know if I'll use it all up, but we're going to work on it. Let me see here. I'll have my dustpan. Got a dustpan here. And what I want to do maybe I won't use this. I don't know. All right, so yeah, maybe I will. We're gonna put some paint in here. And I'm gonna use some of that berry metallic. I feel like I have way too much of the paint on here, but that's okay. I'm gonna come in with some of the gold. Ooh, no, not that color. And then we're gonna come in with some turquoise. And I'm gonna just set that there. I'll just blow it around. And I'm gonna come over here. I don't want to stretch out this bit too much, so I'm sort of just letting it drip off of the dustpan. Okay. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of paint here. I don't have my spinner. I should probably get the spinner out, but I don't feel like making a mess, so we will tilt this bad boy. Bring it back this way. And bring it this way now, off this corner. The colors are gorgeous. The paint is not moving very fast, so bear with me, guys. All right, we're just gonna keep on bringing it down. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna be able to stretch that out. How cute. Let me take my gloves off. I'm gonna come in with the do that. Let me see what else. That corner. And we're good. All right. Of course, I still have paint left. I'm never going to be able to get rid of this paint. Not that I don't like doing bloom swipes. It's such a science project, and I love the outcome of them. It's all Karen's fault. Thank you, Karen. I'm very appreciative. You were a good teacher. If you guys want to know my recipes or anything, I took all my recipes and learned them all from Karen of Waterfall Acrylics, and I will link her video down below. At the end of every bloom technique that she does, at the end of the video is the recipe, very specific on her pillow base paint mix and then her pouring medium mix. So very specific, but I'm telling you, when you do it, it's perfect. Like, she nailed it. And definitely suggest checking out her recipes because they work, and I've never had a problem. Ooh, pretty. And everything's always worked as it's supposed to, and I've gotten great results out of it. I love this. I love all these cute cells in here. That's it. So that's all I have. Let me bring you guys in for a close-up. Oh, that's definitely a mess. I can't even imagine how hard it is for you to see what's going on, but let me bring you in. Okay. So let me get out of the light. So this is the gold in here. I believe that'll be nice and shiny when it's done drying. And I've got all of these. I love this area right here. It's like pink bubbles. And then this in here. I think it turned out pretty cool. If I had more paint, I could have stretched more of that off, but for now, I'm totally happy with the way it looks. I'm not gonna complain. Love the pinks, the turquoise, and the gold. I think it all turned out really nicely. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Her link will be below. And also, she just did a collaboration with Mina Villegas. And Mina's link will be below as well. Have a great day. Bye.